the magic comes from. See, because I write all the songs, I always have the ideas. But one thing is very clear, which is something my mother told me. She was never in favor of me doing music. Let me just tell you that. I was just telling Swati, she came to pick me up. My mother still tells me, इतनी पढ़ाई की, डॉक्टर बन गया, orthopedics कर ली, ऊपर से तो गाने गा रहा है, you know. So she still looks down upon this, you know. So I made a promise to her that she'll always be proud watching me when she watches me on television, you know. So one thing I've always insisted on and I maintain that when, you know, any Euphoria video comes out, it should be, you know, everybody should be able to watch it. There should be no embarrassment. There should not be any obscenity to the video, you know. Because I think music itself is ethereal, you know. We all, at least in India, हम माँ सरस्वती को बोलते हैं कि, you know, this is where all the music comes from. If you vilify that, if you make that vulgar, I think then you're the scum of the earth. So just try to make sure that I keep my promise to my mother. So keep it very clean. Uh, See, it's like you're having all of them are your kids. You can't have a favorite kid. So all my kids. So I don't know. No, no, none of my songs. I think they all. I'd be lying if I said, you know, this is more favorite than the other. But I'll just tell you, my favorite all-time song is definitely the national anthem. I think the national anthem is the greatest song ever made. You know, because yeah, because it's got the greatest lyrics, it's got the nicest tune, and it's the only song that's going to put you on your feet every time it's played. So, तू difficult question पूछने वाला है ना? तू क्लास में जरूर अपने प्रोफेसर्स की लेता होगा. हाँ बोल सरल इंग्लिश में क्या? Both of them are pretty horny, actually. So, um, I think it's a bit of a Dr. Jekyll and a Mr. Hyde kind of a situation. I'm here now, so I'm saying all these cool things. वहाँ मिलेगा ना तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा ऐसे ही. You know, the poet and the creator is an extremely emotional man, very, very emotional. I'm an extremely emotional man. I look at everything from a very different perspective. But the performer is much more aggressive. He's much more aggressive. He's a showman. And he knows that he's on stage. He's an object that everybody is actually looking at, admiring, wanting, whatever. So, you know, I'm much more aggressive on stage. But maybe I'm not that kind of a person. I'm not that poet, and I'm not that performer. I'm just Palash. I'm a very simple guy. Mumbai Cutting is a collection of 11 stories, and it's been done by some of the best directors in our country. There's Anurag Kashyap, there is Jahanu Barua. I have a film, one of the stories is where I'm acting. It's called And It Rained. That's been done by Manish Jha. Uh, the nicest thing about this film being that the entire soundtrack has been done by Euphoria. So the film is based on a song by Euphoria. And today is the first time I'm going to play that song for anybody anywhere. So. Anji, yeah. Okay, the question is, when are you going to sing? Okay. Okay, guys, if that's it, then I think I should welcome my band on stage. I think. Ladies and gentlemen, Rakesh Bhardwaj, Vinayak Gupta, DJ Bhaduri, Prashant Trivedi, Ashwini Verma. Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to? Yeah? It doesn't seem okay. Guys, this wasn't supposed to really be a performance or something like that, but just because we're going to be at Mica and all of you are going to be there, so just a little bit of what we do. We were here to play on the campus in 2007, and I think that was one of the nicest nights of our lives. I just want to say this, guys, as I stand over here. It's been exactly 12 years since Euphoria started our journey. And 12 years back when nobody really knew us, and you know, all the bands called us a sellout and yaar ye to Hindi karte hain. The entire film fraternity said that, you know, these guys are unworkable. They still say we are unworkable. But there was a song that came out which went like thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum. Come on, pichak thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum pichak thum thum pichak thum pichak thum. चांद के हैं हे यार मेरी धड़कन नारे, चांद के हैं संग सितारे, साथ रहते हैं वो सारे। खिलखिलाती है वो नदियाँ, नदिया में है एक नैया, नैया का मैं हूँ कि भैया क्यों अकेला रे। अब आप भी जा सबको पता क्या तेरा मेरा नाता रे। तुम हो मेरी मैं तुम्हारा, छोटा सा संसार हमारा, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। कहता है जो कहे जमाना, तेरा मेरा प्यार पुराना, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। जैसे दिया और बाती, सारे सुख दुख के हम साथी, बेखीपुर भैया है गाती मैं तुम्हारा रे। वो रात मेरी दिन है तेरे, तेरे आंसू अब है मेरे, प्यार के होंगे सवेरे, ना घबराना रे। अब ना शर्मा सबको बता क्या चक 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 तो मेरी छोटा सा संग आगे जाने राम क्या है। मेरा दुश्मन सारा जमाना, साथ मेरा छोड़ न जाना, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। तुम हो मेरी मैं तुम्हारा, छोटा सा संसार हमारा, आगे जाने राम क्या हो। मेरा दुश्मन सारा जमाना, साथ मेरा छोड़ न जाना, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या होगा। आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या हो, आगे जाने राम क्या हो। धूम पिटक धूम पिटक धूम 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 तगड़े 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 धूम। Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Okay. आप क्या सुनना है बोलो? Okay, wait. हमारे पास समय कितना है? How much time do we have? सबके सब मुफ्त में पूरा कॉन्सर्ट सुनोगे? I, guys, yesterday, in fact, we were playing in Jaipur. The night before that, we were playing in Agra. The night before that, we were playing in Macau. सीधे यूफोरिया से शादी बैंड बन गया. और सब करेंगे एक्चुअली, पता क्या है? Guys, you have no idea how happy we are. Thank you so much, really. Thank you so much. जिंदगी है धुआं तो क्या, बुझ गई हर सुबह तो क्या, रूठा मुझसे खुदा तो क्या, हो गए हम जुदा तो क्या, फासले थे हजारों दरमियां, वक्त के थे हजारों इम्तिहान, फिर भी बन के निशान तेरे होठों के किसी कोने में हंसी की तरह मैं महफूज हूँ, तेरी आँखों के छिपे दर्द में आंसू की तरह महफूज हो, तेरी आँखों में महफूज हो, तेरी यादों में महफूज हो, तेरी बातों में महफूज हो, तेरे वालों में, तेरे होठों के किसी कोने में हंसी की तरह मैं महफूज हूँ, तेरे कांधे के छिपे दिल में वादों की तरह महफूज हो, होठों के बातों में गीतों में महफूज हो, ओ ये यादों की तरह. Thank you. मायरी लास्ट में करेंगे, मायरी लास्ट में करेंगे. और अभी लास्ट होने को अबाउट 5 गाने हो रहे हैं. So guys, as promised, I'm going to do the new song from Mumbai Cutting for the first time anywhere. यार मुझे अपनी आवाज कहीं ज़्यादा सुनाई दे सकती है? Is it possible? Or should I come here and sing? Check 1, check. Okay.